Community moderation versus trust and safety tools. Which one is better for marketplaces? Running a successful online marketplace means keeping your users safe and your community healthy. But most people get this wrong, thinking community moderation and trust and safety tools are the same. They're not. The surprising truth is that each tackles safety from a different angle, and knowing which to use can make or break your platform. Community moderation focuses on human oversight. Moderators review user content, resolve disputes, and enforce guidelines. For example, in a peer-to-peer marketplace, moderators can flag suspicious listings or intervene when sellers and buyers clash. Human moderators are excellent at context-sensitive decisions, detecting nuances that automated systems might miss. Trust and safety tools, on the other hand, use technology to prevent fraud and abuse at scale. These platforms leverage AI, machine learning, and automated rules to detect prohibited behavior, fake accounts, or suspicious transactions. For instance, an automated system can block users attempting to upload counterfeit products or flag unusual buying patterns instantly. The key difference: moderation is reactive and human-driven, while trust and safety tools are proactive and automated. Moderation ensures your community feels supported and disputes are fairly handled. Trust and safety tools protect the platform from high-volume abuse and reduce risk. For marketplaces, the best approach is a combination. Use trust and safety tools to filter out obvious risks and automate routine enforcement, and rely on human moderators for nuanced judgment calls. This dual approach keeps both scale and quality intact, preventing fraud without alienating your community. In conclusion, choosing between community moderation and trust and safety tools isn't about picking one. It's about balance. Automation handles scale, humans handle nuance, and together they create a safe, trustworthy marketplace that users want to return to.